goes up 1-0. So, again, this is losers round 4 action. The winner of this will go on to face the number 4 seed in the tournament, Wawa Peach. We got a decent little performance against BCE Juice in winner's semifinal, taking game number 1 before Juice ran 2 straight games on him with the Falco. So as we were anticipating Juice versus Bonk in winner's final, should be interesting, the Meta Knight versus Falco matchup. And we have seen Bonk take games off Juice before early on in this game's life cycle, but then again, this is a whole new Juice.
Like, if I remember correctly, Juice won his first Bears of Ultimate yesterday.
He did. He did indeed, beating another Jersey representative in Sync in winner's final. And that was a 3-0 victory.
That's a name I haven't heard in a while. Like, I know Sync from New Jersey, but I haven't used it in a while.
Yeah, no, it was a Cloud main. He reverted back to the Cloud for game number 3, but unfortunately just not nearly enough to block out the absolute star that is BCE Juice, who is becoming, oh my gosh, Thunderstorm, lowering the boom on ZZ for stock number 1.
Yeah, that 11 storm there is so strong, especially with the has an electric effect, which kind of like basically increase hit stun, so it's really hard to act that.
Not like there's anything you can tech either, so it's just a little tough dealings for ZZ, who has been getting his damage in and finally administering the down smash. And I have not played a whole lot of Snake because I prefer to have fun. But oh my gosh, that was a really long grab. What is this that we're hearing? It's not thunder, right?
Oh no, that's
the sound system. Gotcha, fair enough.
They got a great new sound system.
Maybe it is the thunder that we're seeing on screen here with that up air. Holy smokes, definitely with enough impact to feel a rumble for sure. And that's with rumble.
Yeah.
Apparently rumble can damage as a controller.
Yeah, it can like mess up the sound or something. That's a shame from what I heard. Yeah. I just prefer not just because like it's more expensive input that I don't need.
Yeah, fair enough. I feel like I still kind of need it. I've played worse since I turned rumble off. That's what I'm gonna blame it on.
Yeah.
Good jab. Gets him off stage, and Thunder with the oh my goodness. And that was brutal on the part of Thunderstorm. We'll have to see if Lightning can strike twice here as he goes up. At least ties it at 1.
Yeah, 1-1.
But as we approach game number 3, he did ban at least he banned Kalos. I remember that. And the choice will be Battlefield for this 3rd Snake Robin matchup. Do you think this favors Snake in any way over Robin?
Honestly, I don't really know about Robin, at least in this game, definitely. But
I mean, what's your inclination, at least?
Honestly, this is pretty even to me. Because they're both going through the same thing. They want to have their projectile setups. They both have like item play, like Robin, like they use up tones and swords. Like it's, I do feel like this is going to be more even matchup in the game.
And we'll have to see just how even it turns out to be. Of course, in the words of Highlander, there can only be one. There can be only one. Yeah. Some fan I am. Forward airs. Oh my goodness, and Thunderstorm could have just taken the head of Snake right then and there. Talk about a quickening. That was a quick first stop.
I can start something with myself. Like, I have something going on in my school, but it's like a free bracket. It's on like Thursday night, so next month.
Thunderstorm with stage control. There's the damage piled up, but ZZ just trying to play catch up. Not doing so super effectively right now. And that platform, that grab into the awaiting up smash hitbox, the platform spoiling that particular plan. Oh my, but nothing spoiling that. He's at 88%, but he has tied things up in terms of stocks. Thunderstorm, however. Have you seen this before? Oh my. It can happen. It does have the hitbox. It can cancel stuff out. And that is powerful. That sort of knockback to get him at 47. Holy smokes. This Robin is proving formidable here. And there you go. That's a back air that's going to take... oh, he's looking for those... could be looking for those command grabs. Nosferatu, one of the more formidable ones in the game. Oh, that air dodge left him vulnerable for quite some time. ZZ not going off stage. Interesting choice. Oh my! Blew the shot. That could make things just a little bit more difficult on the road to victory here for Thunderstorm. We'll have to see if it turns out to be a dead end and ZZ can provide the roadblock. Another down air. Oh, well done by ZZ. That like that.
Ooh, missed the up air. Checkmate doesn't work.
Up smash. Oh, it chases him down, and he will die before it hits him. Throws the grenade. Does Thunderstorm. Oh, beautifully done by ZZ. Well read. But he's going to have to tread carefully here. Back throw will get him off stage and into disadvantage. This is where Thunderstorm thrives. Off stage once again and connects with the Thunder. And Thunderstorm will ride the lightning into the next round. ZZ, in a solid effort, will have to take 7th place. Beautifully done by Thunderstorm. Well played, all in all, by the young man. And gotta say, it was a well-deserved victory for Thunderstorm.